In this video, I'm going to break down plumbing in civil engineering and share how it keeps everything flowing smoothly in our buildings and cities. Alright, so plumbing in civil engineering is all about designing and installing systems that move water, waste, and gases safely and efficiently. First off, you gotta understand the basics of water supply systems, which bring clean water into buildings from mains or wells. Then there's the drainage system that carries away wastewater, so you don't end up swimming in your own sink water, right? One key tip is always to plan your pipe layouts carefully to avoid clogs and leaks. Think slopes and angles that help water flow naturally. Also, choosing the right materials like copper, PVC, or cast iron matters, because durability and resistance to corrosion can save you lots of headaches later. When installing, make sure all joints are sealed tight but still accessible for repairs. Never go for permanent fixes that are impossible to open up. Testing your system under pressure is a must before covering pipes with walls or concrete. Trust me, catching leaks early saves a ton of hassle. And don't forget ventilation. Proper vent pipes help sewer gases escape and keep the whole system working right without pressure buildup or bad smells. Lastly, always check local codes because plumbing rules can vary a lot depending on where you are, and ignoring them can lead to fines or worse. One of the biggest mistakes I see with plumbing in civil engineering is poor pipe slope, which causes blockages and slow drainage. Fixing it just means adjusting angles during installation. Another common issue is using the wrong pipe materials for the water type or pressure, leading to early wear or bursts. You gotta match materials to the job. And finally, not installing enough cleanouts or access points makes future maintenance a nightmare. Adding these during the build saves tons of time and money down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making finding good help way easier. Plus, contractors get hooked up with new jobs regularly, so it's a win-win for everyone looking to get projects done right.